May I present the Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 23. Lordship, I pray that this matter come up next week. I have some personal difficulty today.
Learned Counsel for state respondents, she Rizi Mommy, who has prayed for 1 week's time.
Lordship,
As he has some difficulties today. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has no objection. List the matter next week.
obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, I also beg to mention hearing item 26, Lordship. Lordship, if
26.
this matter can come up Monday, next week.
Monday, 16th. Yes. On 16th, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has no objections.
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 6, Lordship. Here, I'm for respondent number 1 to 4, Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship,
1 to 4.
Lordship. Lordship, I'm allowed 2 weeks time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
Learned Government Advocate Rizi Mommy prays for 3 weeks.
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file his affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed. Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Is the matter after 2 weeks.
My lord, I also be filing my affidavit in reply to the affidavit filed by the private hospital.
The petitioner is at liberty to file the affidavit in reply as and when the counter affidavit is filed. Yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 15. I have received the instructions, so I pray for 3 weeks to file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
Government Counsel J.M. Lokuma has prayed for 3 weeks.
Yes, Your
3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition has instructions have been received. Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Is the matter after 3 weeks.
obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2. Here's, I'm yet to receive my parawise comments, so kindly let the matter come up after 3 weeks.
Government Counsel Ms. A. Ayumi has prayed for much time, for 3 weeks.
Yes, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks time to receive instructions. Prayer is allowed. Is the matter of the 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, item number 11 on behalf of Livika. 3 week, kindly grant 3 weeks to file affidavit in opposition.
Learned Government Counsel mentioning on behalf of Ms. Livika, Government Advocate, has prayed for 3 weeks time to receive instructions. Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Prayer is allowed. Please the matter of the 3 weeks.
Lordship, there is an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
And Lordship, may this be the last chance, Lordship, because it has been dragging on.
Okay, we'll see.
Lordship. Much obliged.
Your Lordship, hearing item number 24 and 25 on behalf of V. Sukre, Your Lordship, additional AG. If this matter can be listed after the vacation.
24 and 25. Mention is made on behalf of Ms. Vishukre, Learned Additional AG, to list the matter for hearing after the summer vacation. Stop. Prayer is allowed. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has no objections. List after the summer vacation.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yeah, this is Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship. Kindly grant me 3 weeks time to find my affidavit in opposition, Lordship. Item 7.
Affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Government Counsel, Ms. such and such prays for 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has no objections. List up the 3 weeks.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 9, Lordship.
Item 9, same order, 3 weeks. On the
Obliged,
prayer of
Lordship.
Government Advocate.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 4. Yes, madam. My lord, in this matter, pleading has been completed. So let it come up after 1 week as admission hearing.
Did it come up after the vacation?
Absolutely.
Yes. For hearing.
Yes,
It is submitted on behalf of the Learned Government Advocate that is affidavit in opposition has been filed and the pleadings are complete. Accordingly, the matter is ready for hearing, list for hearing in after the summer vacation.
God bless you.
May I bless the Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17.
17.
Lordship, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
How much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks.
Learned Government Council, Ichamoha.
Lordship,
Place for 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. Prayer is allowed. Learned Council for the petition is present. Is the matter of the 2 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer with item number 20.
20. Item 20 also, same order, after 3 weeks.
Are you blessed?
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 13 and 14.
Hmm. 13 and 14.
Yes, my lord. In fact, your lordship, in these two matters, earlier on earlier occasion, I was given the last chance to file my affidavit. However, your lordship, I still haven't received the necessary instruction from the department. If another chance can be granted. In fact, this is 2025 matters, my lord.
Is there any urgency?
Lordship,
is the
it's been 11 years since the petitioner have been paid any dues. Now the petitioners are finding financial hardship, Lordship.
Use meaning contractual
Lordship.
matter.
Yes.
Yes, contractual bill. Your lordship, verbally, what the department has informed me is that actually the project is a centrally sanctioned project, not a state project. And therefore, they have assured me to send all the necessary documents to place it before this honorable court, the lordship, those documents. But lordship, I still haven't received these the documents. So if one chance can be granted, of course, with the
So only the state is a party or?
no, the central has not been made a party.
In that case, I think some clarification is required. Learned senior government advocate and Angami has prayed for 3 weeks.
3 weeks time,
3
yeah, right.
weeks time to receive instruction as the matter involves payment of pending bills, which is actually a central project.
Yes,
It's actually a central project. Stop. One counsel for the petition is present and has raised objections regarding the adjournment. However, in the interest of justice, 3 weeks time is allowed to the Learned Government Council to obtain instructions. Yes. Yes.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
My Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 27.
Hmm.
I was given a week's time to file my additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit. Mr. Yanawati, Learned CGC prays for 2 weeks.
Hmm.
2 weeks time to file an additional affidavit on behalf of the respondents. Respondent or
Yes, petitioners.
petition on behalf of the appellant. Behalf of the appellant. Learned counsel for the respondent is present. Prayer is allowed. It's the matter after 1 week.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item 19. Your Lordship, I have been instructed to appear on behalf of the respondents. 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
1 to 4, yes. I have not filed my affidavit so far, so I will be given 2 weeks time.
Vaklat nama.
I have not filed my problem. This is a contempt petition, Lordship. 19.
Mr. Yanawati, Learned counsel, has submitted that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 1 to 4 and accordingly prays for 3 weeks time
Weeks time.
to file his Vaklatnama and affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed. Learned counsel for the petition is present. Is the matter after 3 weeks. 1 to 4, so that means all the.
Yes, all the responses.
Yep, so for the indulgence, Your Lordship, but in item number 220, which was already mentioned by the state respondent, I was not aware of it, Your Lordship.
Mm.
Your Lordship, here, as per the last order, this honorable board has directed the petitioner to file their affidavit of service upon respondent number 4 and 5, which we have filed.
Acha.
Yes,
Item 20.
yes.
You just add one more line. Learned counsel for the petition is present and submitted that he is by Dusty, that means
No, it is post 80. In that, it is post 80,
for respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5. It submits that he has taken steps for service on respondent number 4 and 5 by a registered post with AD. So
Lordship, I have one prayer, Lordship. It is still awaited, Your Lordship. So I pray that if fresh steps may be allowed to us, Your Lordship, through Dusty service. Upon respondent 4 and 5.
however, service is still awaited in respect of respondent number 4 and 5. When did you take the steps? If it's just 1 or 2 months, then we can wait.
It has been more than a month, Your Lordship.
It's okay, then let's see next time.
Yes,
Because if it's just a month, then they may take some time.
yes.
However, service report is awaited. Yes.
It has been come after 2 weeks.
I think we said 2 weeks or 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks. Then.
Lordship, there's an interim, Lordship.
The interim order passed early shall continue till the next date.
Okay, oblige you.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship.
Fine.
Yes.
Mm.
In this matter, I'm representing the respondents, Your Lordship. I may be allowed 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship.
Council Z. Kohima, appearing for the respondent, has prayed for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Prayers allowed, Donor counsel for the petition is present, it's the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
I please, Your Lordship. May I beg to mention item number 12.
12.
Yes.
Mm.
Here the leading counsel is in this so kindly fix the matter after 2 weeks.
Petitioner, here for the petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
Donor counsel, Sri Saran Judge, has made a mention on behalf of the leading counsel. Who's the leading counsel?
Zakato.
Zakato Jishi, who has some personal difficulties today. So accordingly, prayers made for listing the matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Lists after 2 weeks as prayed for. Yes.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, as per the order dated 16/5/24, R25. I filed my affidavit in compliance to the order this morning only,
Order dated
16/5/24.
16.
16.
Petition.
This honorable court has directed the counsel for the petitioner to serve notice upon the
Shall
petitioner.
Again, inform the petitioner about
Lordship.
the withdrawal of the Vakatnama from the case.
Lordship,
Yes. So you have taken steps.
Lordship. And also, as per the order dated 8/4/2025,
Yes.
this honorable court has directed the counsel for the petitioner informing to serve notice upon the petitioner to inform for the withdrawal. So in compliance to the order dated 8/4/2025, we have received the acknowledgement receipt on 17/5/2025 from the petitioner through WhatsApp. If your lordship may go for the records that the affidavit which I have filed this morning.
Has it come? It has not come. No? The one which you can call. Yeah. Let's see after some time.
Lordship.
Call after some time, okay?
Item number 3.
I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all mentioned. Yes. Item 3, did someone mention? No.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior Taka Kichu,
Mm.
for petitioner.
Yes.
If, 1 week time may be allowed, granted to file affidavit in reply.
Lord Counsel, Ms. such and such, appearing on behalf of Mr. Taka Kichu, the counsel for the petitioner has prayed for a week's time to file the additional, affidavit in reply.
Yes.
Prayer is allowed. Learned Government Advocate AIM is present. Please the matter after 1 week, on which date the petitioner shall file the affidavit in reply.
Item number 8.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, in the last occasion, we have sought time to reply, file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. We have filed the reply just this morning and copies has been served.
You received.
Lordship, I'm for the private respondent. So I've just received the reply file in regard to my affidavit in opposition this morning.
Okay. So pleadings are complete.
Yes, lordship.
Can we list it for hearing then?
Yes, lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Ascendant October, has submitted that the petitioner has filed the reply
To the affidavit in
to the
opposition.
affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents.
Respondent
Private
5.
respondent number 5, only this morning. And learned counsel for the respondent number 5 has submitted that he has received a copy of the same. Accordingly, the pleadings are complete. What about the other respondents?
Lordship, we
4.
won't be filing any reply to that.
No, but not present, not today. 1 to 4, respondent number 1 to 4. Affidavit is already filed, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Meetings are complete. Accordingly, list the matter for hearing. Hearing after the summer vacation.
Lordship. Much obliged.
Item number 10.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I have filed my reply this morning, so if this can come up after 2 weeks for admission hearing, lordship. The opposition, lordship.
This submitted by Ms. Mika was
Which
that the affidavit in reply has been filed by the petitioners this morning, and a copy of the same has been served on the Learned Government Council. Accordingly, this is the matter after 2 weeks for admission hearing.
Much obliged, lordship.
Item number 16.
Your lordship,
Yes.
in the earlier occasion, I'm for respondent 1 and 5. That's the finance department. We have sought time to file affidavit, but your lordship, it will not be necessary. We'll be relying on the affidavit filed by the department, your lordship.
2, 4, and 5 has already filed.
Yes, Lordship, fine.
Yes. Are you filing any reply?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Sarah YP Gupta.
So you have no instruction?
Yes, your lordship.
Where is that order? Which order where you were given time to file the affidavit in, 19/5?
Yes, your lordship.
19/5. On 19/5 to the 2025, this court had allowed Ms. A.I.M.E. Learned Government Advocate 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number
1 and 3.
1 and 3. Stop. However, it is submitted that she will not be filing any affidavit in opposition, but will rely on the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, 4, and 5. So accordingly, list the matter after 2 weeks for orders. In the meantime, the petitioner shall file the affidavit in reply if so advised.
For orders, item number 18.
May I please your lordship? Your lordship, here respondent number 2 has been transferred and now that is the commissioner and secretary PHET. And now the post has been occupied by the new incumbent. So I may be allowed a week time to file my IA to implement the new respondent.
Respondent number
Respondent number 2.
transferred.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, I am representing respondent number 2, and he has been transferred. Yes, my lord. He has been transferred to other department, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the respondent number 2 has been transferred to another department, and accordingly, the petitioner would like to file an IA for implement of the new incumbent of the PHE in the PHE department. So, whereas allowed, the petitioner shall file the IA within 1 week.
Yes,
Within 1 week.
obliged, my lord.
Obliged, my lord.
Oh, learned counsel, and Nangami appears for respondent number
2, my lord.
2.
Obliged.
Item number 21.
Government affidavit filed.
Not yet, but here. Respondent number 4, maybe the main part will be the main party in the society.
Your Lordship, I filed my Bakla Namat this morning. I'll
Of
be
course.
enter appearance for respondent number 4 for Lokaita.
Learned counsel, such your name.
V. Kosa, Lordship.
Kosa, submits that he has received instruction to appear on behalf of respondent number 4 and prays for some time to file his Bakratnama and the affidavit in opposition. So, petitioner? Petitioner is.
Yeah, overlook because
Petitioner is not present when the matter is called. Accordingly, list the matter after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the respondent number 4, you also haven't filed. You'll file.
I've not yet received instruction. Besides, I don't know whether we'll
It
have.
may not be necessary.
Yes,
Respondent number 4, to file the Vaklatnama and affidavit in opposition.
ladyship, there's connected cases. Now goes WPC 34/2024. So if these two may be tagged together. Actually, similar order was also passed yesterday in 34. So whether it will be necessary again, but I think it should be tagged together. WPC 30.
Same matter, arising out of the
Yes,
same
yes.
matter.
Same matter, yes. Anyway, similar order was passed, I mean, yesterday also, so whether necessary again.
Just say this matter may be tagged along with WPC
34.
34 of 2025.
Yes. Like should be-
Item number 22.
May I please, my lord? Lordship, the petitioner has given me a copy of the amended cause title. On previous occasion, your lordship, they have filed one IA whereby the respondent number 2, 3, and 4, they have withdrawn their name from the petition, your lordship. That was allowed and they were asked to file the amended cause title. I have received a copy of the amended cause title, your lordship.
Yes, amended.
Lordship, yes.
So new respondents were added or the respondents were deleted?
The-
Deleted.
No, petitioners were deleted.
Oh, petitioners were
Deleted,
deleted.
my lord, my lord. In the main read petition, your lordship, there were 4 petitioners.
Okay, okay.
However, petition number 2, 3, and 4 have withdrawn their name.
Okay, what about your affidavit?
No, your lordship, no, your lordship,
Yet to file.
yet to file. In fact, your lordship, this amended cost title, I have to send it to the department informing them, my lord.
The petitioner has filed the amended cost title, deleting the name of the earlier petitioners number 2 and 3.
2, 3, and 4, my
2,
lord.
3 and 4.
Your Lordship, there is an interim.
Stop, wait, stop. The learned government counsel is, and Nangami is also yet to file his affidavit in opposition. And he has prayed for some time as the amended cost title also has to be brought to the notice of the official respondents. Stop, which he has received
Yes, your lordship.
today. Which he has
Yes.
received today. Stop, accordingly, how much then?
3 weeks time, my lord.
It's the matter of the 3 weeks. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
For hearing, item number 28.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, here I'm praying for regularization of my service. Lordship, the case of the petitioner is, petitioner has served in the department for more than 32 years now, and he's the senior most employee. And he has been serving in the department with due sincerity and diligence. And there has been no complaint against him. He has filed numerous representation letters seeking for consideration of his service for regularization. However, department has ignored his request. Now, Lordship, after filing of this petition, by order dated 11/4/2025, Lordship, the respondents have filed their affidavit in compliance with order dated 11/4/2025.
This court dated
11/4/2025.
Okay. Read, please read.
Lordship, may kindly allow me to read.
Yes.
Ms. Swenso, learned government advocate appearing on behalf of the respondent, submits that she has been instructed by the communication dated 2/4/2025 to apprise this court that the petitioner, being the senior most casual multitasking staff at the District Horticulture Office, Zuneboto, the proposal to regularize the service of the petitioner has also been sent to the government on 19/3/2025. The learned government advocate therefore submits that the writ petition may be disposed of on the basis of the said communication. So in compliance with this, Lordship, they have filed their affidavit. Lordship, may kindly turn to page number 9 of the respondent's affidavit.
Respondent 1 to 6. Yeah. Yes.
Lordship, this is a forwarding letter forwarded by respondent number 3 to respondent number 2. That- Page number 9.
Nine. Yes.
Lordship, may kindly allow me to read. To the secretary, to the government of Nagaland, which is the respondent number 2 in this case. Subject forwarding of application received for regularization, appointment to the post of multitasking staff under District Horticulture Office, Zuneboto. Madam, in inviting a reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to forward herewith the application received for regularization appointment to the post of MTS vacated on retirement of Srimati Zusheli, MTS, under District Horticulture Office, Zuneboto, as listed in Annexure A. Being the first vacancy of the year 2025 in the District Horticulture Office, Zuneboto, if authority agrees, we may regularize Sri Hokie senior most casual multitasking staff at the District Horticulture Office, Zuneboto, as per PNA OM so and so. Authority is requested to kindly pursue and convey the approval of the government for filling up the vacant post. Lordship, now, since there is vacancy in the post of MTS in District Horticulture Office in Neboto, now the case of petitioner can be considered. And even the respondent number 3 has sent the proposal for his regularization. So therefore, Lordship, I pray that this court may direct respondent number 2 to expedite the process for regularization to consider his case.
Your Lordship, the petitioner's case falls within the office memorandum of 2004. So he fulfills those criteria, so if direction can be given to regularize as per the OM, Your Lordship.
Lordship, an assurance,
The OM of 22nd September.
Yes, Your Lordship. He's the senior most and there's a vacancy. So as per the OM.
Lordship, my prayer is an assurance may be given by respondent number 2, which is the secretary, because even on previous occasions, forwarding letter has been sent to respondent number 2, but his case was not considered. So if today, if we dispose it off and if respondent number does not consider his case, then again, we have to come in the form of another writ petition. So therefore, speaking order may be passed.
We'll direct them to pass a speaking order. In case it is not considered, also they'll have to give reasons and communicate to the petitioner. Okay, we'll dispose it in that way.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly allow me to clarify one fact.
Okay.
Lordship, may kindly see appointment letter, which is in page number 24 of my writ petition.
Oh, yes.
Lordship, may kindly allow me to read.
Hmm.
Sri Hokie is hereby appointed as office beyond attached to the District Horticulture Office, Zuneboto, Nagaland, in scale pay. Lordship, initially petitioner was appointed in on scale pay, on the basis of scale pay. So his case falls under 2015, OM 2015.
In that March.
17th March.
Your Lordship, if I may, if we had, it is not denied, Your Lordship, that his case falls under 2015, 15 also. Both these OM covers his case, but if you go by 2015, the procedure is lengthy, Your Lordship. First, PNR has to give its clearance, and then finance, then the MRC, then it has to go to the cabinet. Now, when it comes to 2004, there already is a vacancy, and the OM clearly stated if he is the senior most, and if there is vacancy, his case will be considered. So, Your Lordship.
And now he's the.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So that is.
It's up to
easier.
them, Your
Yes.
Lordship, for
It's
them,
easier for
whichever
you.
option they choose.
And the
I do,
government-
Lordship.
government Is also the director has also written to the secretary to consider under the 22nd September.
Yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship.
For OM.
Yes, Lordship.
So
Either
that-
way, his case can be
Yes.
considered.
That
But
is-
Lordship may kindly reflect that his appointment order is as per the record maintained by the department is 1992.
No, I think there's no dispute regarding that, and you are the senior most. That's why the
Yes, Your
director has
Lordship.
forwarded your case.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
The petitioner has come before this court due to non-granting of scale pay, you can sit to the scale pay, and regularization of service after serving for 32 years. Stop. It is stated that the petitioner was initially appointed as an office peon by an order dated, what is this, 14th? By an
Lordship,
order dated.
It's in page number 24.
The date is not clear. Order dated.
It's 10th December 19th.
10th December 1992. Stop. However, the petitioner's pay was subsequently altered from scale pay to fixed pay by an order dated, where is that?
Lordship, it's in page number 25. The type copy is in page number 26.
By an order dated 1st September 1993, issued by the District Horticulture Officer, Zeneputu, Nagaland. Stop. The petitioner being the senior most employee among the work charge employees in the department is entitled for regularization, however, the state respondents have not considered his case for regularization. Being aggrieved, the petitioner has approached this court. Stop. Before that, you just say the petitioner has also submitted several representations praying for consideration of scale pay and regularization. However, the respondents have not regularized his service till date. Then after that, you say being aggrieved, the petitioner is before this court praying for a direction to regularize to the praying for a direction to the respondents to regularize his service and to grant him scale of pay. Stop. Next para. I've heard learned counsel for the petitioner, Shri
K.R. Khan.
K.R. Achumi, and MS AIME, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Stop. Para. This court what was the first order? One is 11-4 and one is this forthright order dated 11-4-2025 had observed that the state respondents had produced a letter dated 2-4-2025 written by the Director of Horticulture, Nagaland, Kohima, to the learned government advocate, stating that a proposal had already been sent to the government to regularize the service of the petitioner at the District Horticulture Office, Zeniboto. Stop. The court had accordingly directed the learned government advocate to file to bring their stand on record by filing an affidavit. Stop. The affidavit has been subsequently filed by the state respondents, and in the affidavit at paragraph 3 and 4, it is stated that the petitioner, being the senior most multitasking staff at the District Horticulture Office, comma, a proposal has been sent to the government to regularize the service of the petitioner, an account of vacancy created due to the retirement of Srimati Zusheli ZU SHALI, comma, multitasking staff under the said establishment, comma, and the same has been forwarded to the government via letter number HR/DTE/ESTT-29/NG, open bracket, ministerial, close bracket, 2025/2552, dated 19th March 2025. Stop. It is further stated in the letter dated 19/3/2025 that the petitioner, being the senior-most casual multitasking staff, comma, his case for regularization will be done in accordance with the PNAR OM number AR-3/GEN-67/2001, open bracket, PT, close bracket, dated 22nd September 2004. So, next paragraph. In view of the stand taken by the state respondents that the proposal has already been sent by the Director of Horticulture, Nagaland, Kohima, to the Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of Horticulture, comma, I propose to dispose of the present writ petition with the following directions. Dash number 1, the Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of Horticulture shall take up the case of regularization of the service of the petitioner within a period of 3 months.
Lordship, 4 months, your lordship.
Within a period of 4 months, and pass a speaking order. So, number 2, in case what did you say? You were saying that certain conditions, if they cannot comply or something like that.
Lordship,
To put a condition,
assurance may be given
that assurance cannot be.
because even on previous occasions, forwarding letter has been sent to respondent number 2, that is secretary. But his
No,
case
but
was
this
not
will
considered.
to
Yes.
consider within a period of 4 months, as per the office memorandum dated 22nd September 2004. So, yes, petition stands disposed.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
What was the last order, court order?
Lordship,
16/5.
16/5/2025, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, V. Koza is present, and Mr. L.T. Sanctum, Learned Edition AG is present for the state respondents.
My lord,
Stop.
along with S. Chang.
Along with Ms.
Yes,
S. Chang. Stop. On 16/5/2025, this court had directed the petitioner to file an affidavit
Lordship.
regarding the notice sent to the petitioner for withdrawal of their names from the Bakalatnama in the instant case. Stop. In compliance of the said order, an affidavit has been filed by the petitioner today. stating that stating that the counsel for the petitioner has served a copy of the letter informing him about their withdrawal from the case. And it was sent to the petitioner on 30/4/2025 at his postal address. However, due to the non-availability of the acknowledgement receipt, the counsel for the petitioner could not produce the same before this court when the matter was listed on 16/5/2025. That on 17/5/2025,
Lordship.
the petitioner had again sent the acknowledgement receipt via WhatsApp to the counsel for the
Petitioner.
petitioner. So therefore, it is clear that the petitioner is now aware of the fact that the present counsel for the petitioner is withdrawing his name from the Vaklatnama in the instant case. So the counsel for the petitioner is therefore allowed to withdraw his name from the Vaklatnama, and their names may be deleted
Lordship.
from the cause list.
Lordship.
So this is the matter after 3 weeks. He may engage a new counsel.
Lordship.
This is the matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.